Hi everyone, so I'm just here with a very quick video. This is just a little digital kit that I have in my shop. It's 5 pages. It is floral vintage wallpaper. Like I said, it's 5 pages. I will put the link to that below. I'll just show you quickly what they are. So there's this one. And you can use it both ways. You could use it kind of that way. Obviously I haven't cut it off yet, and I've just obviously scanned these in, or you could use it that way if you want to put it in like a long skinny journal. Same with that, and you can literally use them anyway, so that, you know, this way it doesn't matter. You could still use it that way and use it that way. Obviously I haven't trimmed off the white bits, and actually I didn't print this to full scale because I want it for something. So there's this one. Or is it that way? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, you could use it that way or that way. We'll see. I'll probably do something with it real soon. So again, doesn't matter. It can be used in any direction, like so. And that one. And I will be having. That doesn't sound right. I will have more little kits of vintage wallpaper coming up over the next week. I've got loads to scan in, and yeah, just finding the time to do it. So I managed to get this one done. Plus I'm actually going to try and do some kits using these and incorporating them into the actual kits as well. So I will put a link below if you're interested in making a purchase for this, and it's in my shop. Bye.